this AI story account made more than 15,000 in just 1 month, all using AI. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to effortlessly launch a theme page using AI. While there are countless YouTube videos on this topic, this one stands out because I've discovered an AI tool that combines everything you need into one. I'm serious when I say all it takes is a single click to have a video ready to post for the day. However, I must admit one thing, which many of you have likely realized. You can't make a significant amount of money by spending just 5 minutes a day. But don't click off yet. While $20,000 a month might not be feasible, how about $1,000 a month? It may seem modest, but it's achievable with just 5 minutes of work each day. And that's not all. I'll also share the exact marketing and psychological strategies you need to grow your page and maximize revenue, even if you're starting from scratch. This AI tool can be used for both TikTok and YouTube Shorts, but we'll focus on YouTube Shorts since TikTok isn't available in all countries. If you still prefer TikTok, I've included a link in the description where you can purchase a UK or USA account to access TikTok's creative features. But don't rush to buy it just yet. After much persistence and negotiation with the seller, I managed to secure a discount code for you. Simply enter the code R2 at checkout to get 10% off your entire order. Now, without wasting any more time, let me show you the AI that will allow you to live your life for free. The first step in any money-making business is an idea. With this AI, you can choose any niche: finance, pets, creepy stories, love stories. The possibilities are endless. For this video, I'll be using creepy stories as an example. First, head to the AI tool we'll be using for this passive income method by clicking the link in the description. This will take you to the sign-up page where you can create a free account. Once you've signed up, you'll want to upgrade your plan. Let's be honest, no AI tool is truly free. They often have annoying watermarks or limitations, but let me show you why this one is different. Creating videos using other AI tools can cost around $20 for a voice, additional fees for image generation, a good video editor, background music, sound effects, and other necessities. This can add up to over $100 monthly just for subscriptions, not to mention the time it takes to handle each task individually. With this AI, you can do everything with just the click of a button, and it costs much less than using multiple AI tools. To be transparent, I do earn a small commission when you subscribe using the link in the description, but you'll also receive a discount, so it's a win-win for both of us. By using my link, you can get limited lifetime access. However, this offer is available only to the first few people who sign up. I recommend saving up and investing in the Pro version, which allows you to upload 2 videos daily. Hurry to claim this lifetime access, as you'll only pay for 6 months worth of a subscription for lifetime access. It is actually 50% more cheaper to get lifetime than pay for 1 year. A very small investment for a lifetime money-making machine. Passive income takes time to build. I don't want you guys spending $60 each month. It's best to invest $360 once and never worry about it ever again. As you can already see, I have bought the Pro plan myself. Once you have the subscription, head over to the project section and click on Create Video. Once you're on this page, you have 2 options: copy an already viral video or create a video from 1 sentence. Let me show you how it works. First, input any idea for a video that fits your niche. If you're struggling to come up with ideas, just tell the AI to generate one for you based on your niche, and make sure to include a strong hook. Next, select the language. I recommend English, and choose a 1-minute video format so you can earn $1 per 1,000 views. Once the script is created, select a voice that matches your YouTube or TikTok page and continue. Now here's where the magic happens. The AI has already created the captions with good fonts and animations. All you need to do is select the right video footage for each sentence. Personally, I'm terrible at finding creepy and horror backgrounds, but I know you can do better. Even with my limited skills, the video turned out great. Once you're done, just export the video. Now, without wasting any more time, let me show you the end result I created in under 5 minutes with 0 experience in the horror niche.
They say the dead don't dream, but I did. I was a mortician, tasked with preparing the deceased for their final goodbyes. But one night, I received a strange package with no return address. Inside, I found a small, ornate box with a note that read, "For the eyes of the dead only." As I opened the box, a chill ran down my spine. Inside, I found a small, antique music box that played a haunting melody. But it was what happened next that would change my life forever. The corpses on my table began to stir, their eyes snapping open as if awakened from a deep slumber. I tried to flee, but they rose from their tables, their cold, dead eyes fixed on me. I was trapped, surrounded by the reanimated dead. And then, the music box stopped playing. The silence was deafening. What do you think happened next? Share your theories in the comments.